Is your iPhone refusing to let you sign out of your Apple ID? If the sign out button is grayed out and says not available due to restrictions, I'm going to show you the exact fix in less than a minute. Hey everyone, and welcome back. A lot of iPhone users might suddenly face this problem. You open settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, scroll down, and then the sign out button is disabled. Let me show you how to turn it back on instantly. For this, we need to go to screen time. Open settings and then tap on screen time. If screen time is turned on, especially if you set it up for family, your iPhone blocks Apple ID changes. That's why you cannot sign out. Now here, we can turn off screen time. You can tap change screen time passcode and you will see turn off screen time. Enter your passcode and screen time turns off completely. And guess what? The sign out button is now fully available again. There is also another way to turn off screen time on your iPhone. You can enter your family profile. So you open the settings and tap family. Tap your own name, which is the organizer, and tap screen time. Here as well, you can see screen time. Now you're looking at the real screen time settings for your device. You can turn it off from here as well. That's it. This quick screen time trick fixes the sign out not available problem every time. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more fast iPhone tips. And for the next video, I'll show you why it's good to keep this one grayed out. See you in the next one.